Silent Heroes. प्रणति भव्यहारमः स्वागतं शुभवंदनम शब्दपुष्पे राचरामः श्रीमता अभिनंदनम। अर्थात हम नमन भाव से आपका वंदन शुभ वंदन करते हैं, शब्दों के पुष्पों से आपका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। I am Memoria, student of class 5th from Joy House. Today I am here for recite a poem and my topic is A Silent Heroes. In every corner, clean and bright, you work with care, morn till night. With gentle hand and heart so true, our school stands strong because of you. No stage, no fame, no shining light, yet you make everything feel right. In silent ways, you give your best, with tireless step, with endless zest. Today we found with precious part, you are the strength we often don't see, but you are the soul of our family. Thank you and have a nice day.